Hi everyone, I am 𝗧𝗿𝗶𝘃𝗃, a finance and fintech consultant. In this video, we are exploring a massive shift in how businesses handle money. Say now, imagine if a company's bank account could actually think, right? What if it could spot a cash problem before it happened, learn from its own mistakes, and stop fraud in its tracks? Yeah, so in this video, I am walking you through 5 AI-driven trends that are reshaping the world of Treasury. So we will cover 5 major shifts, moving from delayed reports to real-time visibility using AI as a tireless analyst, turning Treasury into a strategic seat at the table, expanding intelligence into the entire balance sheet, and managing global complexity. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or just curious about the future of money, I am going to explain exactly how AI is turning finance into a superpower. As I always say, don't just improve, evolve. Let's dive into the first big change, which is real-time visibility. Let's start with visibility. In the past, Treasury relied on delayed data from static reports. You only knew your cash position after transactions had already settled. You only knew how much money you had after the day was over. But AI changes that by acting like a financial air traffic controller. A financial air traffic controller, okay? By using live bank data and smart software, AI watches every dollar move the second it happens. Instead of asking, how much money did we have? Now we ask, where will our cash be in 2 hours? This is huge because it helps even small businesses avoid expensive mistakes like overdrafts or letting money sit idle when it could be working for them, right? And so now keeping track of money is one thing, okay? But someone has to analyze all that data, and that's where our next trend comes in. Trend number 2, AI is becoming the junior analyst that never sleeps. It is now doing the heavy lifting, things like predicting future cash flow and catching fraud. Here's the difference. Old software only looked for problems it was told to find. AI, however, looks for weird behavior it hasn't seen before. So for example, if your company usually pays a supplier $500 every Tuesday, and suddenly a 5,000 payment is scheduled for a Sunday, AI raises a red flag instantly. So AI catches that instantly. And so you don't even have to build this yourself. Most modern tools have this brain built in. You just have to turn it on. Now, while AI is great at catching errors, it's even better at helping humans make big picture decisions. Trend 3 is about strategy. Treasury used to just report the numbers, but now AI helps interpret them. Okay? Think of it, think of it like a flight simulator for your business. AI can run scenarios to answer questions like, can we afford to open a second location? Or what happens if interest rates go up, right? Because AI can predict these outcomes so accurately, the Treasury Department isn't just the money people anymore. They are now key advisors helping the CEO lead the company. Okay? But AI doesn't just stop at cash. It's looking at the entire health of the business. Now, let's bring the puzzle together by connecting assets, debt, and inventory, which is trend 4, AI-driven balance sheet intelligence. AI has the unique ability to connect dots that humans might miss. It looks at everything, not just cash, but what the company owns and what it owes. For instance, it can show a business owner how having too much unsold inventory in a warehouse is actually hurting their ability to pay off debt. It turns a static, boring financial statement into a living, breathing map of the company's health. Okay. Now, finally, let's look at how this works on a global scale. Our final trend is global complexity. In today's world, even small businesses often buy or sell things across borders. Every country has different rules and different currencies. AI, however, acts as a 24/7 global watchman, making sure every payment follows local laws and flagging any risks before they become expensive legal problems. So here's a big picture. AI is making finance real-time, predictive, and global. Treasury is no longer just about managing cash. It's about managing intelligence. Okay. I am 𝗧𝗿𝗶𝘃𝗃. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.